Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andalusia with student number 23107310339. And today is reading for topic 8. Yeah, topic 8, and it is figurative language. So we also learn figurative language in other classes but like literature classes, because figurative language was used so much in literature. So there's a difference between literature. What is it? Figurative language and literal figurative language and literal language. Like in literal meaning, it has like the literal meaning of it. For example, owl laid an egg. It's stating facts, and it's not a lie. So yeah, it's stating facts. Meanwhile, figurative language is the way we talk about something, but it's not true. But they had this comparison that made us think, oh yeah, that's actually kind of true. Like um, John business finally kicked the bucket. So kick the bucket is like words that mean something else, but it it doesn't mean that he literally kick a bucket. It means that he starts something. And in this materials, there's some types of figurative language. The first is metaphor. Metaphor is like doing a comparison, like the king is like my shepherd. So it comparing between one thing with another, but these two things didn't really relate, but in some sort of way we find it could be comparable. And then the second one is simile, in which simile is metaphor. Wait. Metaphor, simile. I forgot. Simile is there, but I think it's like this idioms for like kick the bucket. And metaphor is meanwhile metaphor is comparing one thing with another. Simile is a group of words that the meaning doesn't have a literal meaning, like kick the bucket earlier, or what is it, kick the bucket, and why the blue face. Like it doesn't really mean have the person's face turned into blue. It just mean like why is he sad. Then we have metonymy. Metonymy is when the comparison is the the complete opposite of it. mm, yeah, for I read it like that, but metonymy. And then we metaphor, simile, metonymy. Irony is when it's some sort of a sarcasm, so it's the opposite too, but in a bad way. For example, the day is very raining, like it's a very cloudy days, but we'll say, oh, what is sunny days. Is such sort of sarcasm. And the last one is hyperbole, when we talk about it more than it actually is, like hype hyping it up. Also, for like it's actually a very small thing, but yeah, it's like hyping this thing. It's not that big, it's not that amazing, but just yeah, it's describe it as more than what it really is. So that's all from me. Thank you, sir.